Hi everybody, it's tour time. Roman's at the gym, so we're gonna do a little tour of the house, and nobody's gonna tell him that I did that while he was out. All right, so we've just entered the front door, and here's our little area for our shoes and our beach stuff and things like that. Then we've got Roman's room, and there's a bed that goes down here that's part of a bunk bed. You put the mattress up there. I'm not really sure why. He has the view that goes out to the square. And he has his own bathroom and shower box, and our washing machine is in here. That's kind of a lucky thing. So this apartment was intended to be able to sleep 10 people. So in this room you'd have 2 in the big bed and 1 on the bottom, 1 on the top bunk, so that's 4 right there. Now we're gonna go into my bedroom, which is also really large. Again, another big bed that would suit 2 people, and another set of bunk beds, so there'd be another one there and another one up there. And then I've got a couple of closets, or sort of closets, and a dresser. And then I have the balcony that goes over the parking area where the laundry and things where we hang it out. And today it's very, very windy. We've got the Moroccan winds happening today, which I actually don't mind. It's kind of a refreshing change from the heat that we had. So that's been good. All right, this is our kitchen, living, dining area. This is a day bed with a trundle, so 2 more people could sleep out here. We're using it as a couch, which is why we have all these extra pillows and stuff around. I still don't know if we're totally content with how we've set this room up. We've got our TV over there and our dining table. Again, it was originally set up for 10 people, so the dining table was in the middle of the room with 10 chairs, and we just didn't need that. So again, that one has a window that looks out into the middle of the complex. And yeah, that's the little sofa. Again, trundle underneath, some storage, my bathroom, which is very similar to Roman's, except that I also get the bidet. And our bathrooms are connected, which is sometimes annoying, but there's space up there in between them. And then I have my own shower box, sink. All right, kitchen. It's a very long, narrow sort of kitchen. There's the propane tank. That's what I use for cooking on the cooktop. We have a microwave, which is unusual, but it does suck a lot of juice, so we try not to use that too much. I've also got an electric oven. It's kind of cute. It's very old. It's got my Portland dish towel hanging on it at the moment. Also uses a lot of electricity, so not a big fan of that either. Just like most Italian households, we've got the dish rack that's above the sink, so that when you wash your dishes, you just put them in there and they drip dry. Because yeah, there's definitely no dishwasher, I didn't mention that. But we do have both a refrigerator and a freezer. So this is the fridge up here. I'll explain about the water. Well, I guess long story short, the water out of the sink is not potable, so we have to go to what we call the water box for water, which is not too far from here. And then there's the freezer, and I've got a bunch of water bottles in the freezer too, just to try and help be more energy efficient. That said, we also do have air conditioning right up there. Again, we try not to use it. Electricity here is very precious. So, oh yeah, speaking of which, I forgot to show you my bathroom also houses what I call a geyser, and I'm not sure what other people call it, but in India, this was the geyser, and you turn that on when you want hot water. So if you want a hot shower, then you need to turn that on like half an hour in advance. but we hardly ever use it. We just do cold showers. I've kind of got my recycling setup going on here. There's something to recycle every day. Today is Friday, so it was organic compost this morning, and tonight we put out the cardboard and Tetra Paks and plastic, no, not plastics today, just this, and glass go out tonight. So yeah, that is what it looks like, and that's why we have lots and lots of space for guests. And yeah, that is our apartment. So I will make more videos in the future. There we go. To kind of go through how all the appliances work and the electricity in general, which can be kind of interesting, getting water, that kind of stuff. But you do kind of get adapted to this stuff pretty easily, I think. And but I've been jotting down, like, what are the surprises, what are the things I think people should know, and I will address some of that. But in the meantime, please feel free to ask questions, and I'll answer those as best I can. Thanks for touring my apartment. Come visit me in person. Bye.